Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of top-notch products. Today, we're diving into the world of electrical protection with what many consider to be the best whole-house surge protector on the market, the Square D by Schneider Electric HEPD-80. This little device is designed to safeguard your home's electrical system and all the valuable electronics connected to it. It's like a shield for your home against power surges and electrical spikes. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of why the Square D HEPD-80 stands out from the competition. First and foremost, it's rated at a whopping 80,000 amps surge current capacity. That means it can handle massive power surges, making it ideal for areas prone to lightning strikes or voltage fluctuations. Installation is a breeze. It can easily be connected to any brand of residential load center. And don't worry about the weather. It's NEMA 4X rated for both outdoor and indoor use. What I really appreciate is the green LED indicator on the Square D HEPD-80. It gives you a visual cue that your home is protected, providing peace of mind. Another great feature is its compact size. At just 2.06 inches in diameter, 2.89 inches in width, and 2.45 inches in height, it won't take up much space in your electrical panel. Plus, it's backed by Schneider Electric, a trusted name in the industry. And comes with a manufacturer's product warranty of 5 years and a 75,000 residential downline warranty. Why do you need a whole house surge protector like the Square D HEPD-80? Well, think about all the electronics in your home. Your smart TV, gaming consoles, appliances, and even your HVAC system. A power surge can fry these expensive devices in an instant. Imagine coming home one day to find your TV, refrigerator, and air conditioner all fried because of a power surge. It's not a pleasant scenario, trust me. That's where the Square D HEPD-80 comes to the rescue. It's like having a guardian angel for your electronics, ensuring they stay safe and sound even during the wildest electrical storms. And let's not forget its durability. This device is built to last, and with its 80 kA surge protection capacity, it's ready to take on whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Folks, when it comes to protecting your home and investments, cutting corners is not an option. The Square D HEPD-80 might just be one of the best investments you can make to safeguard your household from unexpected electrical disasters. So there you have it, the Square D by Schneider Electric HEPD-80 Universal Whole House Surge Protection Device, a true game-changer in home electrical safety. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to protect your home and everything in it, click the link in the description below to get your Square D HEPD-80 Surge Protector today. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay safe and keep your electronics protected. See you in the next video.